Hi friends, welcome to the part 2 of the Bosch Mixer Grinder video series. You've already seen the unboxing and the first impression in the first part. In this video, I am showing grinding of various things in this mixer using the various jars and blades. I have done a few spice powders, chutney and vada batter. I have not tried idli dosa grinding and many other things. So once my son and daughter-in-law they start using it regularly, I will post one more video after a few months. So let's watch this video first. Please watch the video till the end. So I've got a lot of pulses and spices roasted here, which I'm going to grind in these jars. I'm going to use it for the first time. I've just washed and dried and kept these 3 jars. So I'm going to start with the smallest jar and I'm going to grind mint chutney in this. The size is 0.4 liters, but you can grind up to 0.2 liters. And in any of these jars, the minimum capacity is just above the blade. And the blade of this chutney jar is fixed. You can see there are 2 grooves here, so I think it has to sit on that. I have to turn it in such a way that it locks. It's a dark lid, so you cannot see through this. So first, let me start with the pulse. So this spatula can be used for mixing like this. I've already put the mint and green chilli, salt and everything. I think I'll add the coconut as well. So now I'll use the speed. Wow, that's very fast. So the chutney has got ready in I think maybe 10 seconds. The chutney jar is a bit tiny, so I think I can just manage to grind chutney for 2 people. Now I'm going to use a medium size jar, which is the second jar. The size of this is 1 liter, but you can grind up to 0.5 liters. First I'm grinding 1 cup of dhania, roasted dhania. So this medium size jar is for dry grinding, and that blade is removable. I've kept the same blade. Again I'll start with pulse. The thing is, you can't see through here. They've kept a dark lid and not kept an opening, just like they've kept in the wet grinder. My ultra mixer has a center opening in both the medium and the large size jars, where you could open and see through and also pour water, add water anytime in between. This has only in the big size jar, so I cannot see how much it is ground. I want it to be powdered finely, so I'm going to grind more. One more time. I think dhania powder will be fine. This is the same blade which is removable, and now I'm going to grind 1 cup of roasted jeera powder. I have shown in my earlier videos as well that I roast and make all the jeera powder, pepper powder, dhania powder at home. I don't buy them from stores. Initially, after 5-10 seconds of pulse mode, now I'm going to use the speed. It's very nice for sprinkling on salads and raitas. Maybe if I grind for 5-10 seconds more, I'll get a finer powder. 10 more seconds of grinding has given me a finer powder. Now I'm going to remove this medium jar blade, and in this jar only I can replace it with a pounding blade. They say that this has got blunt edges, because of which the grinding in this using this blade, the grinding of any masala items, they are as good as hand pounding. That's what they claim. So I'm going to replace that blade with this blade. Specially designed thick blade with blunt edges, which replicates pounding effect to prepare authentic dry masala. Rasam powder, garam masala, sambar masala. This is the only thing I'm afraid of. It looks a bit delicate. So I've got here ingredients for making paruppu podi. As we say in we Tamilians, we make paruppu podi with tuvar dal. So this is one dal. Along with this, I think I'll put the red chilies, and I've got some pepper in this. I've got horse gram here. This looks nice. This usually we make it to eat along with rice. We add ghee and put this powder and eat with rice. Oh, this looks amazing actually. The correct level of coarseness. My husband loves all the karam podis and this thing like coarse, but my 750 watt ultra grinds it into very fine powder. Now I've added the gram dal. That's it. So you can see that in less than a minute, which is eaten along with the rice, is ready. Now I'm going to grind mulaga podi, which we use as an accompaniment to idli and dosa. So I'll start with red chilies, hing, and also add salt here. Now I'm grinding the urad dal. All these are roasted. And after everything is mixed, I'll run it again. So I mixed all both the dals and the chili, salt, everything is mixed, but it is still very coarse. This is how you get in the stores, and this is how in olden days we used to make hand pounded. But nowadays people prefer it a bit smoother. My son likes it finer, so I'm going to grind it more. I will have to put it in 2 batches. I'll show you the difference. This is very fine. This is still coarse. I'm grinding roasted sesame seeds till. This will also go into mulaga podi. Now over to the big jar. I already put chili and curry leaves and other ginger, salt. So I'm going to grind whole urad which is soaked. This is for making vada, medu vada. So I'm going to grind this in the wet grinding jar. There is a big jar, and the capacity of this is actually 1.5 liters, but you can grind up to 750 ml. So here you have got a transparent lid, and also there is an opening in the top to add water in between, and also check the grinding. So here again I'll start with pulse mode. Because it is for vada, I have to pour very little water. This 1 cup of urad dal also got ground in less than a minute for making vada. Hope you find this video useful. As and when we start using it regularly, I'll post one more video. So please stay tuned to my channel for that. Thank you for watching the video. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. See you soon with another interesting video. Till then, it is bye bye from Bhuvana.